Hey folks, Alex Thomas here with Wordfence. I wanted to put out a reminder that we're currently running 2 promotions for our Bug Bounty Program. The first one is our Spring into Summer Challenge. This one has been extended through September 4th, 2025 and adds a 2x multiplier to bounties for all in-scope submissions from our high threat list in software with fewer than 5 million active installs. Now, let me give you an idea of what that means. Here are some bounties we've paid out recently under that promotion. A $1,170 bounty for an arbitrary file upload in the AI engine plugin. $1,431, $991, and $675 bounties for multiple vulnerabilities in the HT contact form widget plugin. A $4,050 bounty for an unauthenticated arbitrary file deletion vulnerability in the SureForms plugin, and an $8,100 bounty for an unauthenticated arbitrary file deletion vulnerability in the Forminator forms plugin. Now, those last 2 were submitted by the same researcher, and that researcher found this particular vulnerability pattern in one of the plugins and then found it in the other one. So it's a total of $12,000 for this particular vulnerability. We've also just launched the SQLsplorer challenge. Now through September 22nd, 2025, all SQL injection vulnerabilities in software with at least 25 active installs are considered in scope for all researchers, regardless of researcher tier, and you can earn a 20% bonus for these SQL injection vulnerability submissions.